Go, Rolly!
Show it to Mom.
Okay. As you can see, Rolly's right now, he's having fun in this grass. And it is our backyard, you know? Because look how tall it is. Look, Rolly, where'd you go? Rolly, where'd you go? Oh, there he is. Yeah, he is. Hop. Do it again. Rolly, come here. Come here, Rolly. PB. Rolly. Hi, PB.
Hi, baby.
Rolly. So fluffy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at him hop. Do it again. Rolly. Wait. Wait. Rolly, look at the camera. Look at the camera. He's chewing on a stick. He's chewing. And then you see PB. That's Rolly, that's PB. Where are you going, PB? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hi, Rolly. Hi. How you doing? How you doing, Rolly?
Rolly.
Go, Rolly. There he goes. Kathy, say hi to the camera. PB, PB, come here, PB, come here, PB, come here, PB. Oh my God, they're fighting. Say hi to the camera. There they go. Go. Ah.
Where you go?
Guys,
Rolly.
where'd you guys go? There you guys are.
Rolly.
There you go. So fluffy. Guys?
Rolly.
Guys.
Rolly. Rolly.
Hi, PB. Hi, PB. Hi, hi, Rolly. Well, there goes his chewing adventures. Oh well.